All right, so you guys should be clearing off your desk. If you do not have a divider, in just a minute. Nope, not now. Do you have to go to the bathroom? All right, go ahead and go, buddy. Class.
Yes.
Okay. We are going to be taking our math test. If you don't have a divider and want one, I can get one for you. Nyana was kind enough to get a couple people some of the dividers. I want to kind of quickly go over, I'm not going to take questions right now. I want everybody to be sitting and kind of following directions so I can kind of tell you what is going to be happening. We are going to be taking our topic 12 test. Okay, so everybody take a deep breath. Okay. You guys just came back from music and had a lot of movement. And so I understand a lot of you, especially with today being such a fun day, are probably very antsy, okay? And this is going to be a time that we have to stay quiet because we have to do our best, right? Give me a thumbs up. That's what we want. Right, we want to do our best. So before we take this test, I want to say it one more time. A unit fraction is one part of a whole. Good job. Awesome job. Remember all of those fun chants we did to help us remember what a fraction is, what a unit fraction is. Remember what equal and unequal mean. Equal means they all have the same, right? Unequal, they don't have the same amount. And all fractions need to be what? The same. Good job, Malia. They all need to be equal. All right. Do you guys feel like you're ready?
Yes.
And just, what do you need, Kennedy, hon? Okay. Everybody, put your name on your test. Once you have your name on your test, can you give me a thumbs up so I know I can go on? Awesome. I will read the questions to you. They will also be up here on the board. You have them in your desk, on your desk. You can go with me or you can go ahead if you feel comfortable, okay? But always know that if you stay with me, I'm going to give you quite a bit of time between each question, okay? Capiche?
Capiche.
All right. Question 1. This shape is divided into blank pieces. Shade in one piece. What is the fraction? There are multiple steps to this. Yes. EQUAL. I'll say it again. This shape is divided into blank pieces. Shade in one piece. What is the fraction? So there's 3 things you have to answer. You have to fill in the blank. I should see some shading, and I should see the fraction on this line. Noah, you need to please have this up. If you have one, it goes up. Okay? Thank you. Yeah, honey. Oh, yes. You are right. Thank you. Sorry, I'm going to turn the light on. Usually we have it dark in here. I want to make sure you guys see. This is not the time. Is it an emergency? Okay. Next time, please remember, during music, that's when you can use the bathroom. We're on the way from music to here. Good job. Look at that coloring, Malia. You did great. Noah, please do not be coloring on that. All right, I'm going to go to the next question. Great job staying quiet and focused. Jan said she divided her square into fourths. Do you agree with Jan? Look at the picture. Okay, make sure you're looking at the picture. Explain why or why not. Circle 1. Yes, I agree with Jan. No, I do not agree with Jan. Because, and then state why or why not. No way you should be done. That tells me you didn't take your time. So please look over your answers. I'm going to state the question one more time. Jan said she divided her square into fourths. Do you agree with Jan? Explain why or why not. Circle 1. Yes, I agree with Jan. No, I do not agree with Jan. Because, and then state the reason why or why not. If you are ready for me to move on, can you give me a thumbs up? Okay. Then go ahead and go on to number 3. 2/3 is and you have two choices. You circle 1. 2/3 is a unit fraction. 2/3 is a non-unit fraction. So is it a unit fraction? Is it not a unit fraction? Circle. Not the I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next question. You guys are doing great. Keep it up. 4. Terry and Joe each drew a number line and marked 3/4. Did each student represent 3/4 on their lines? Circle 1, yes or no. And then answer this question. I know this because, and tell us how you know. Miss Centeno? okay? We stay in our seats. You have to ask permission to get out of your seat during the test, okay? And you're gonna just have to hang on to it until after, okay? Yes, Nyana? What? I will tell you what we do when we are done with the test, but you shouldn't be done with the test right now. Okay, please turn around. Thank you. Are you okay, hon? Okay, okay. Here, okay, we're gonna take a small break. It's okay. All right, come in the hallway with me for a second, okay? All right, thank you guys for waiting. You guys did a great job. Do you guys need me to read that question again?
No.
Okay, I heard a yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and read it again. Terry and Joe each drew a number line and marked 3/4. Did each student represent 3/4 on their line? Circle yes or circle no. I know this because, and then tell us how you know. I'm going to go ahead and move on. Okay, so there should be a star on this number line. Label the fraction of the star. Remember, this is a multi-step process, meaning there are more than one steps to finding the answer. So remember everything you need to do. Yes, Sylvia? That's what you have to look at. We want to trick you to just look at that. It's okay. You can go ahead and put your thumbs down. Thank you. Go ahead and put your thumbs down. It doesn't matter. I like what you did. Drew asked a really good question. Do you just label the star? If you want to label all of it, that is fine. That actually is a really great way to check your work and make sure that you did it correctly. Leah, can you hold it? Yes. Okay, thank you. It's a test. You guys know when we have testing that I really want you to get your work done first before going to the bathroom. I only let you go if it's an emergency. So far you're doing it right. really hoping that camera's going. I'm gonna go ahead and go on. Okay, this one says,